Right, so I thought that I was supposed to be delivered a parcel today. Royal Mail at its best. So the parcel's coming from a good friend. The parcel does contain 2 live tarantulas, and the parcel is somewhere in Edinburgh. So I've had to make phone calls and phone calls and phone calls because they were saying that the parcel had contained the wrong address or the wrong postcode. However, I will show you the parcel when I get it. I had some useless person at Royal Mail telling me that I can't get my parcel and that it would be returned to sender. By then, we all know that in transit, spiders can pass away with all the stress of the transit. And whatever, right? So, it gets a phone call back from Royal Mail about 5-10 minutes ago. And the guy was like, can I ask you a few questions? Do you know such and such? Because obviously he's been on the phone with your parcel today. I was like, I says, that's one of my best friends. I've been trying to get him to help me find my parcel. All right, that's fine. What does sausage mean on your parcel? And I was like, what do you mean sausage? He says, it says Donner sausage. Well, Sam, well, let's just say Michael McMoist Taylor is in fucking trouble. Because now the whole Royal Mail's fucking pushing herself laughing. Including my friend. So, yeah. I'm on route to collect said parcel. Just glad that I found it and that hopefully by the time we get home we do unboxing them, everything's alright. That's all I can hope for at the moment. But yeah, fingers crossed. I will come back to you very shortly and show you everything's correct with the parcel. See you soon. Right, picked up parcel, now back home. It was Michael's fault, he's put AH1AL instead of the actual full postcode. And then of course you had to put $2 sausage Wilson. Right, let's get it. I've got mystery gift. So DVD by the sounds of it. Michael. Guess who's going to get done in? Right. Right, so that's his slimes on it. I'm chucking peanuts everywhere in the bedroom. Oh. Sour pencils. He's also been kind enough to give me some heat packs for March giveaway. A mega sour mix. Toxic waste nuclear fusion. Toxic waste purple sour candy and green. This is because this is a can't do spicy in here. But then I do prefer sour sweeties. That's like lukewarm. Alright. Pardon me. What else has he sent me? It was only supposed to be sending me 2 slings. Oh, he sent my tubby bloody labels. Of course, in true Michael fashion. Once I get this lid off. Not that there's something else in there. Alright, so the first one says, Donna, stand up. If you come on the lives, you ken what it is. Donna loves a good meat sausage. I'm going to kill him. Michael's favourite word. And then he's even done me 2 labels. So OBT RCF and OBT Kenya. So this now completes my DCF. So I've only got 1 TCF to get. I've got another tub there. Right. Right, so this is a RCF. Can I get my hands in? Bless. Right, it's moving about, so we're fine there. We will get on my wee. What I'll do is I'll just use these wee tubs because Michael's already kindly sticker label done for me. This is a Kenya. That's right, the top waiting to come out. Right. Now let's get some. Is there holes in this already? Ah, Michael's even put the holes in for me. Right, it has in both. Right. Now my substrate is down here. Right, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to pause, flip these, and come back. Excuse the state of the table I was rehousing earlier. Right, we need foliage, foliage, foliage. Bum bum bum. I need some cork as well. That's too big, that's too big. I just want a wee bit that would easily break down, but there's no danger there of easily breaking down. Right. I need a wee bit of foliage. I just looked up there at my Trepepe thinking it had molted, it's not even started yet. I heard you, Denzel. I'll take him a yard, but I heard you. Right. Right, so this is a Kenya. He's right there. So at the minute it's on my hand. Whew. He's now in the burrow. Why is that lid not going on? I was trying to put 2 lids on one. Duh. So he's in his wee burrow. Right, better luck with this one, hopefully. Oh. I'm actually in so much friggin' pain in my back today. Right, he's already in. Where's the lad? I'm like, where is he? Because it blends in with the friggin' colour. Oh, I think he's in the wee hide. No, he's not. So he's round about where my thumbnail is at the minute. And the Kenya, his wee bum's sticking out that hide, or it was. So that's the Buffy house, guys. They will go on my shelf. Thank you to the lovely Michael for completing my DCF collection. Pardon me. I think I've got to keep some of these sweets for the live, just to show that they didn't bother me. Sour stuff doesn't usually bother me either. The spicy stuff just gets me because obviously I'm a severe reflux. But thank you very much, Michael and Katie. I will be sure to enjoy my DVD with my snacks Thank you. Bye.